I'm Bruce Myer with Coldwell Banker. I would like to introduce you to one of the greatest garden homes on Bird Key. The house was built about 10 years ago, and we have close to 4,000 square feet, and it is a terrific floor plan. We have high ceilings, and then if you follow me, and you'll see it's a great open kitchen with a lot of details you'll see in the cabinetry. Great window design, nice light coming in. Gas cooktop, which is very important. It's a little bit of a chilly day today for Florida, starting in the 50s, going to get up to 70 and sunny. But because it's a little cooler, we just look at the fireplace that we have. And it is a wonderful great room design. As you'll see that as we pan over to the dining room. And there's really a lot of thought put into the details. And if we look up at the ceiling here, you can see all the intricacy, cove lighting. And then if you notice this is one of the nicest pool areas I've seen. We have the table all set up for you for a nice evening cocktail or a little dinner. The other thing too, there's a lot of overhead here, and I always love it when you can sit outside and not be affected by the rain or the wind or the sun. Also, we have a cooking area, an outdoor grill. And then if you'll notice how you have a lot of privacy, there's a lot of landscaping around, and really a super design with the pool in kind of a V shape with a water feature. I'm Bruce Myer. See you on the Key.